Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. I'm Gerard_ke. So for today, I've also decided to prepare supper for my family. As you know, I have a family. So for today, we'll be preparing Kenyan food known as githeri, of which I'll be showing you the ingredients later. So I'm so happy for the first video that I did. People are watching it, and that's good. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can comment, and you can tell me where you are from. So for today we'll be cooking githeri, which is already cooked. So we'll be making it more tasty, as you know, as I do always. We have the githeri, which is here, one pot. We have the onions, carrots, and the tomatoes. Also we have for bananas, of which I think we will eat later after eating the food or before. Also we have an avocado. Here it is. And also I'll be steaming some cabbage for you guys. So first of all, you start by preparing the onions. Let me use first of all put them in the water so they can hold. So as we wait them to get good, not to make me cry, I'll also be preparing the tomatoes. So for this I'll put only 3. Here in Kenya, for they are very sometimes they are very expensive, but for now I can say the price is so friendly. So for 4 pieces of tomatoes it goes for 20 Kenyan shillings. So if you calculate some cents, dollars. Also the carrots, 2 pieces, it goes for 10 bob. Also we have the pepper. I don't know if it is yellow pepper, green pepper, but I think it's green pepper. This one I'll be preparing later as we go on. Nothing else. So it's just a simple meal, budget meal for your family. So I think my onions are already refusing to make me cry. First of all, it brings a good taste in the githeri, of which you see how I make it look very yummy, yummy. Oh, yeah. Of which it is very good. Let me rinse it. Wait, it's clean. So it will be clean. I'll put there and just add my onions there. I go to the fire. Once we have chopped the onion like that, let me also prepare my other ingredients. So I just chop the tomatoes like this. So let me use this big machine to go like in carrot. You can blend it as a juice. So this one I'll put it away later. Even this one, some dirtiness. Okay. So let me prepare the pepper. Don't need to remove the seeds, but remain a little bit. They are very good for me. Them very good for me. If someone don't know what is githeri, this is a githeri mix of maize and some beans. For me, I do priority to take the yellow beans because I feel them they are more sweeter, but there are other types of beans, as you know. But for good, it is the maize and the beans of the yellow beans. So we just head to the fire. It's like that. So put them on the fire for a little bit, then I add the oil, of which I'll be showing you the oil. I just add a little bit of cooking oil as per your wish. You can add a little more. Okay. So first of all, I'll cook the githeri, then I'll steam the cabbage later. So we just put the oil there. Then we just wait for the onions to turn goldish. For the onions to turn goldish, I'll also be preparing another onion for the steaming of the cabbage. I'll leave it there as I continue to, so it doesn't make me cry later. So just come back to our onion, which we are preparing the very meat. It's starting to turn gold. So if you are out there and you want to do some good African food, good food, just try eating some githeri. Onion is ready, so I'll be adding the, let me put this one first there. I'll be adding my tomatoes first for them to cook. Also let them cook for like 2 minutes as I touch my green pepper. I don't know if I'm saying correct, but I feel like it's called green pepper. I will remain that one for cabbage, and you see our meal is zap. Also my carrots for today I'll be cooking them with love. What's good? Let me add a little bit. The rest will remain for the cabbage. This is good to make a bite of the carrot. So I think my tomatoes are ready. I'll just add the green pepper and the carrot for them to cook a bit. Remember we are cooking githeri, as it is called here, mix of maize and beans. So let it cook for some few minutes as we prepare the onion that we said to be cooking the cabbage for us. So this one I hope it won't make me feel like crying. You know you should be always happy. Either any circumstances you should be always happy. So we go like that. And the onions are ready. We cut another one. So it is good with how you like your cabbage. Some people like it when it is fully cooked. But for today I'll be showing you some good ways to make your cabbage more crunchy and with no soup. So this one will be adding it on top of the carrot. On top of the cabbage. I'll show you how the thing is doing. Also for the cabbage, you can put a little pepper to make it more spicy and beautiful. So mostly on my foods, I don't add much spices when it is not needed. But when preparing some pilau, other dishes, you can just add the spices. So as you can see, it is already good. It's already in the perfect condition. So we just add our maize and the beans, as it's called githeri. Let me pour it, as you can see. So after adding it, we will just mix them very well. And kind of upgrade too much. Let me take this. I'm holding the screen not done. So Nothing much for preparing a good meal for the day. Tasty meal for the day. It goes like that. And you turn. Guys, just looking so delicious. So yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Also, we'll be adding some soup, water, or just a little bit to not to start in the sufuria. So as you can see, my githeri is there. Very, very yummy. Now, so as the githeri continue being get more cooked, I'll stir my cabbage using my pan. Let me just pick this one. Mostly these sufurias are the best, but they are a little bit costly. So let me first show you how I prepare my steaming. I steam my cabbage. I add some oil, of which I've finished with it. Then later, I'll just take my cabbage and put it directly on the pan. Let me show you how. And it's a lot, but I still know very well. I love taking cabbages than other anything. So I just put it there. So I'm hearing my githeri is getting cooked. I just got another food. Some little bit. Yeah, that one will be okay. And let it boil for some 15 minutes, around 15 minutes. And it will give very tasty food. So that one is okay. So we are preparing our cabbages, which are already prepared. Also, if I don't forget, I'll be adding these Lego cubes. So everything is done once on this cabbage. So you just add some carrots on top of it. Here water is coming with so much pressure. I don't think I'll be using these utensils more. Just put it in there. So after that, you add on your onions on top of it. Put everything on top, and I will show you how very good it will be. So I will be cleaning this one. Which later they will be cleaned very well, just to make them there. So let me add my micro cubes on my githeri so they can cook together. As you can see, it is just boiling, and you let it boil for some time. Oh, it smells so yummy, yummy, yummy. So that one will be okay. You just let it mix very well. Okay. I put it on top of there. Oh, sorry, this one is over there. I have to clean my hand. So, guys, you can just tell me where you're watching me from, and also you can watch the other video that I did. On the other video, I cooked a very delicious matoke. Please, I'm urging you to subscribe to my channel for me to see reaching 100 followers, and I will be so happy. So this one is for the day. This one will give it a time to get staged. Oh, for another like 2 minutes. So we can be watching over our githeri. So guys, our githeri is ready. As you can see, nothing much, nothing else to be added on. So I'll just put off the fire, for githeri, or I let it boil a little bit, like another 4 minutes to 5. Also for my cabbage to boil, like to be boiling for another 3 to 4 minutes. So this one I just put it on the dustbin later. Okay. So my cabbage is much ready. Even it is just very cooked. So just put off the fire for the 2 dishes. These are dishes or meals. I think they are the meals. So this is what I'll be taking for supper with my family. Just a simple githeri and some steamed cabbage. Remember, it is steamed. As you can see, it's not cooked. Steamed, which is very good. Something I've forgotten in the cabbage. I didn't add the salt. So what I'll do, I'll just add on top a little bit of the salt, because githeri is having the salt. Always human is to error. So the salt will be added on top. Just let it cook for a little bit as it is. So as you can see, the githeri is ready and the cabbage are okay. Much better. So the remaining part is for me to enjoy as we watch. I take that one. So sorry. Oh yeah. You have to be closer. The githeri is so super hot. Wow. So guys, first of all, you start with the githeri. It's not that much weird. Just to hold you for the night. For me, that one will be okay. And make it not to get cool. Also, I'll be adding some cabbages, which I like most. So for this, I'll just cook 2 spoons like that. So the next thing, oh guys, the person who sold me the avocado just did me quick, okay? So I didn't see the inner part was going to spoil, but I think it will be okay for me. For me, I'll just take a little bit of the avocado. Eating like a boss. Just for 300 Kenyan shillings, you have to get like that. So, guys, my food is ready. Just call it the simplest supper. So, 300 shillings can make a good githeri, some cabbage, some avocado, even some fruits on top of it. So, thank you for watching this video. I'll be posting more videos when I get this time. But mostly for now, I'll be posting when I'm cooking supper for you guys, because that's the only time that I'm okay with. For lunch, I'm mostly in the work, but if I get time or I get a day in the lunch time, I'll also be cooking with you. So thank you guys, and subscribe to my channel.